Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading room recap for the 4th of November, Monday. And today was a pretty good day in the markets. Today we had one trade and pulled 3.5 points out of the markets. Basically, we were long and we were able to ride that up a little bit, and kept the room open a little bit after 12, and we were able to pull in a little bit of profit. So anyway, that's what we did on the day. 3.5 points, definitely pretty good, and we can add this to our November 1st, and get this month started off pretty well, and hopefully end the year on a positive note. What I try to do and what I'm focused on is being consistent. Knowing where you're at as far as in the market, and where you're going to take profit and where you're going to get out. What you're going to do if the market doesn't go your way, and you always have to have a plan B. And when I say that, I don't mean you always second guess yourself. That's totally different. But in being able to bob and weave, so to speak, to use a boxing term, that's basically what you do in the markets. You want to tread lightly, and then when you do get a nice setup, you can definitely go in more. You can add to your contracts. And what really the site is supposed to be about in the trading room is to show that with a minimal amount of contracts you can actually make a decent living. And the whole goal is, once you learn the basics, you can add contracts. What would today do if you traded 10 contracts? You would have done a whole lot better. And that's really what the concept that I try to get across to people, is to have, that performance in mind, to be able to, to trade and know, hey, I could always, trade larger. Once you get over a certain hurdle, you can trade a little bit larger, and you can continue to grow. And the ES is a really great market because you could easily trade 100 contracts and not even, worry about it. Because there's a ton of liquidity in the ES market, and that's what I try to do. It's all about trader performance, and it's all about increasing at the right time, and therefore definitely increasing your profits. So anyway, hopefully I made a little bit of sense today. Hopefully you got something out of what I talked about. With that, thanks for watching the video. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.